Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best face painting kits. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Face Paint Kit with 30 Stencils 9 paints by Buggles. Paint with stencils makes face painting lots less difficult for first-timers, and in case you are nonetheless looking for a pleasant set of brushes, stencils and paint palette, the Face Paint Kit by means of Buggles might be a terrific option. Just like maximum face painting kits, it is FDA authorized, assured safe, and appropriate for sensitive pores and skin. Your kids will like it. It has 9 face paint colorings and 30 stencils which can be and will stay adhesive even up to 4 uses. The shades are of premium pleasant and are all smooth to put on and put off. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Halloween Face Paint for Kids. Some face paints are created with small amounts of metals and chemical substances which might be harmful for your pores and skin, in particular on your youngsters. But awesome fun face paint ensures you a safe and excellent product without the poisonous elements used. It is guaranteed vegan, hypoallergenic, paraben-free, FDA compliant and suitable for touchy pores and skin. The 12 colorful colors are water primarily based, so it's clean to use and dispose of. It has 30 stencils and a guidebook with a view to help each professionals and beginners with face paint designs. At number 3, we have the Blue Squid Face Paint for Kids. This Blue Squid 12 color palette face paint is in a jumbo size that includes 10 ml paint consistent with color. It may be used for portray hundreds of creative and colorful designs. The colors are all pigmented and colorful. Blue Squid additionally ensures the colors are safe to apply via using only professional beauty grade, hypoallergenic, and paraben unfastened substances. This face paint kit is also FDA compliant and non-poisonous, which makes it safe to apply, in particular for children. It is water based, so you can without problems wipe it off when you're executed. At number 2, we have the Snazaroo Face Paint Ultimate Party Pack. Snazaroo is one of the fine sellers and extensively used face painting emblem available on the market. They have sworn to have used handiest exceptional components that are approved by way of the FDA to make their face paints absolutely safe. It smiles, pores and skin friendly, paraben unfastened, fragrance loose and independently approved by way of experts dermatologists and toxicologists. This package consists of 12 vibrant colors, 2 glitter gels, and 4 sponges. All the colors are water primarily based, so they're smooth to place on and off. You can hold your layout in only 5 minutes or much less because it is simple to apply and brief drying. And finally, at number 1, we have the Artiparty Face Body Paint Kit. Professional palette, non-toxic, hypoallergenic. Paint your frame and face with a safe shade palette including the Artiparty Face Painting Package. It is non-poisonous, hypoallergenic, paraben unfastened and FDA authorized, which prevents rashes, burns or any skin hypersensitive reactions because of harmful chemical compounds. Perfectly safe, particularly for kids. It has 12 brilliant colors enclosed in a strong case that makes storage easy and neat. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this face painting kits, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.